Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you all how to fry your fish in an easy and quick way. So let's get started. So my fish is nicely cut and clean. You can see how clean it's looking. So after cleaning the fish, I allow it to dry it up. Then I sprinkle some salt into the fish. Then I mix everything together. So into my pan, I added the vegetable oil. After adding the oil into my pan, I allow the oil to hot. Then I added onions. Then I started adding my fish just the way I'm doing in this video. So I'm going to let it fry. Then after some minutes, I'm going to flip it just the way I'm doing here so the other side can fry as well. So guys, thanks for clicking to this video. If today is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lisa. Welcome to my kitchen, and please don't forget to subscribe and join this beautiful family. Also turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video, and please don't forget to like this video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you all. Please don't forget to like this video and also drop me a comment. I appreciate you all. So after some minutes, I flip the fish all over, then I allow it to fry. Guys, you can see how beautifully and nicely this fish is looking, and it was so delicious. So I will be making fish stew with this. So you can also use this to drink garri. Yes, you can use it to make any food that you want. Okay, and if you watched to this extent, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.